Hello, I'm Barry with CDRAFT, Casework Drawings, doing a quick run through of our counter command and our vanity commands. CX and VX, they work very similar to our base cabinet. Simply enter in the width, the height, the switch option, and then the auto insert option. And that's all there is to it. 4 items to keep in mind of that are controlled through the customer profile is the height of the splash, the thickness of the countertop, the height of the apron, and also the span between the brackets on the countertop. So let's take a quick look. Z2 takes me to sheet 2, is simply a zoom function. TG puts in our tag, and let's adjust the zoom back to 100. Now VX, simply enter in the width, the height, not going to switch, auto insert. That's all there is to running either one of these commands. But we have added some functionality to the countertop command that will come in handy for you. So let's just do a quick execution here to see the bracket. So let's go, I don't know, let's go 18 or 15 feet. Height we have, not going to switch. And so as you can see, equally spaced is our brackets. So that's how that's going to work. But also we've added in an appliance point, which will be the center of the floor line. And then, as you know, the auto insert points. So to expand upon the capability of the auto insert, we've also added that capacity, that function, to the finished in commands BB1 and BB2. So let's take a look and see how that works. So let's say we've got a knee space, better yet, let's say we're going to add an appliance, an under counter refrigerator between 2 base cabinets. So let's do a B22, which is 2-door, 2-drawer base cabinet. Width is 36 is fine, height 36, 1 shelf. Let's do 2 cabinets, and we're not going to switch, and let's do an auto insert. Now, since we have this auto insert point right here is now shifted to the far right hand side of the floor line, let's do a BB2, which is for a finished in right side, and we're going to do an auto insert. Now let's do our countertop CX 24. We already have our height. We're not going to switch it, so let's auto insert there. Then we'll do a BB1 to get ready or finish out for our next cabinet, auto insert. But let's go ahead and add in, let's escape, let's go ahead and add in an under counter refrigerator, which is an RF3. There you go, auto insert. And we'll do a BB2, I'm sorry, a B22. Width is 36, height we have, shelves we have, cabinets 2, not going to switch, auto insert. And so here's a faster way to use our counter command in conjunction with base cabinets and our BB1 and BB2, which is our little finished in that caps off the toe kick and adds in our finished in markers. And that is all there is to running the countertop and vanity commands. As always, this is Barry with CDRAFT Casework Drawings. Thank you for watching.